Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everyone, looking at SPY on the 5-minute daily and weekly time frame. So the bulls were out in full force today, and we can see this action. Pre-market, we bounced right off the 20-period moving average support heading into the open, showed that strength first thing. Then we consolidated and saw lots of lower highs and lower lows, but we kept the 100-period moving average support, bounced off of that level, and then right here is where it got interesting. We bounced off the support again, rejected from 20-period resistance, held support, rejected from resistance, very tight range on decreasing volume, and then the volume spike and the breakout led to an end of day all-out bull run. So very nice action for those bulls, strong volume on the recovery. The volume does not compare to the bearish volume, but it was still 140 million shares for the bulls. That is significant. Close at the high of the day indicates strength heading into tomorrow. I'm going to be looking at resistance 204.53. This previous support is now going to act as resistance, and we're also going to be watching the hourly 100 and 200 period moving average resistances, as well as the 20 period hourly support, which held all day today. So multiple time frames giving the clear picture of what is going on, and we can see the weekly time frame for SPY is a big bullish reversal candlestick, a hammer currently bouncing off key moving average support, and we are still maintaining this low of 201.73 as long as we close above it. But with 3 trading days left to go, we are likely going to see this candlestick change very significantly. After huge dumps, what I look for is called an equilibrium pattern, where we see higher lows. Let's try that again. We see lower highs and higher lows as we bounce. So say we pull up and reject from 205, then we'll pull back and bounce from above where we found the low, and then a tighter and tighter range. So that's what I'm going to be looking for here on SPY. If we see some bullish continuation tomorrow up to the 204s, that's when I'm going to start looking for some weakness, and I'll be using the 100 period and 200 period hourly resistance levels on individual stocks to try and find that weakness. We have a couple right at that level right now. Facebook is just below its resistance. Apple is approaching its resistance. So the hourly time frame is going to give us some nice indications along with these daily levels to keep an eye on. Ideal scenario for the bulls on SPY is to keep maintaining 202.33, 100-week moving average support for the rest of the week. We'll see what tomorrow brings. Chart indicates bullish favor, but we know the past few weeks really have been highly volatile, and the candlesticks do not always indicate what is going to occur. But in terms of what is most likely, bullish start is most likely. I appreciate you tuning in. We'll check back tomorrow.